could already feel roots forming somewhere deep inside me. Oh, she's transforming. Oh, please tell me I still look like me. I do like the art. I do like this. Let her drink it. What the heck? I mean, I did create a monster. Like, everything stopped moving, even inside me. I can't hear my heartbeat anymore. I think I forgot how to blink. Oh. I mean, she did die. It'd be really funny if she turns into like a freaking apple. Oh. What the fuck? It feels like I'm always meant to become this. Ooh, cup of coal. Oh. What the fuck? Cup of strange. Holy cow. I was not expecting that. Ooh. Darkness. Ooh. Okay. Light? Huh? It feels like... what? So this is what light looks like? Witch. Oh, what the heck? Oh. Is there hatred? Hatred. Oh my god. Your breath too loud. I didn't know I could hate so keenly. Everything just an eye in the middle. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh my god. I hate that he's staring at me. Oh my god. Dude, what are these creatures? What the fuck? Made? I'm sorry? What? I typed in maid and I got like a whole goat demon. What the Huh? Oh my god. Clown. Duh. Oh my god. Okay, what about a gun? Whoa. Holy cow. How the heck would you imagine that? That's crazy. Damn! It's just a blob of flesh and just... looks like Chainsaw Man, actually. I feel like if I do this, it would kill me. What the heck? Okay, how did she die though? There was literally no one there. Oh, what the? Why is she like that? What the frick?